Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy updo. To start, I'm going to roughly curl the hair, and I do that by taking thin slices of hair and using my curling tong. Make sure that you curl the hair in opposite directions every time you take a new section. And just carry this on, working up the head until you get curls that look something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now take some texture powder, I'll pop what I'm using in the description below, and just apply it to the scalp at the crown area and then just massage it in with your fingers. And I'm going to do a little bit of teasing at the crown. This is optional, you don't have to do this if you don't like back combing. So once you've got everything back combed, flip it back over and use the very tip of your comb to smooth things out so you can't see it. Next we're going to just take a little bit of hair at the front of the face just to frame it, and we're just going to clip that out of the way for later and do this on both sides. Split the remaining hair into 3 equal sections and then make a ponytail out of each one of those sections at the back of the head using clear elastic bands. So you should end up with 3 little ponytails. Now take some spray wax, again I'll list it below for you, spray it across the top of the head and then use your fingers to pinch and pull the hair just to give it some messy texture and a little bit more volume. Apply some texture spray to the ponytails, and starting with that middle one I'm going to split it in half and do a rope braid. So twist both sections to the left hand side and then cross the left hand strand over the right hand strand. Carry this method on all the way to the bottom and secure it with an elastic band, and then just repeat it on the remaining 2 ponytails. Starting on that middle ponytail again, I'm going to use my fingers to pinch and pull at that twist to make it nice and voluminous, and then I'm going to take it and wrap it around the base of the ponytail, tucking the ends underneath and using a few bobby pins to pin all the way around the outside. And then we're going to do the same on the left hand side, so pinch and pull that twist apart and then take that twist and wrap it around the base of the ponytail, tucking the ends underneath so you can't see them, and I'm going to push this up so it touches that middle bun, and again secure with a few more bobby pins. Then just repeat one last time on that right hand twist. So pinch and pull for some more volume, wrap that twist around the base of the ponytail, push it up to the middle bun and secure all the way round with a few bobby pins. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.